Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to using session. How to set session. The first I will start the session. Session underscore start. This is starting the session. Let's add the comment to this method. Start the session. Okay, after starting the session, I will setting the session value. To set a new session, you using this variable $_ session $_ open square brackets and single or double quotes. Okay, but I will prefer to using single quotes. Your session name here, I will name it user name, then equal the value of your session. I will add Mohammed. Okay, after adding the session, let me add another session. It will be ID or user underscore ID equals 1. Okay, now I want to do check if user is logged in. Okay, I will using if statement. I will use set. Okay, to check if this variable exists or the session exists. Set the variable name underscore session, your session name, user name. I wanted to check if username exists. Okay, if it exists, I will redirect the user to his profile page, else I will redirect him to the login page to login again, because he doesn't have access to this web page. Okay, I will echo whom profile page need to login. Let's say localhost /php. Okay, this profile page, because user is logged in and session is set. Okay, let's change this session to Mohammed. Add another username it. Okay, because this session is not exist. Let's say reload. Oh, this session is stored in the browser. I need to clearing browser data. I will clear the browsing data to destroy the session. Clear data. After clearing the data, you get reloading. Not cleared yet. Crashed. Boom. Okay, got it. Reload again. We have something username. Let's check the session and source. Where network reference memory. Let's application session storage localhost. Oh, let's clear the sessions. Reload this page. Nothing. Okay, let's pause the video and let's see what's the problem. Okay, I have deleted the session from the cookies and localhost PHP session ID. Remove from here and reload the page. It cleared. Okay, nothing because let's echo login please, login please, reload login please, because there is no user logged in. Let's change it to Moha username, reload profile page. This was a sample lesson for session and login. Thanks for watching. See you later.